Welcome to Godot Essential, the series where we'll learn Godot step by step without getting overwhelmed. In the last episode, we've learned to install Godot and create a project, add a script to a scene, print messages to the console, and lately, how to use variables. That's already a lot. So today, instead of learning something new, we are going to practice what we've learned so far. This is our very first challenge episode. Here's how it works. After an exercise is explained, you can pause the video and try it on your own. Then, unpause to see the correction. Ready? Let's go! Challenge 1. Close the project you're in now. Create a brand new project called Godot Challenge 1. Remember, we already did this back in episode 1. If you need a reminder, feel free to rewatch previous episodes. Pause the video now, create the project, and come back when you're ready. To do this, if the editor is already open, just close it. Reopen Godot. In the project manager, click Create. Name your project Godot Challenge 1. Choose a folder on your computer to save it. Make sure Edit Now is checked. Click Create to open the project. Well done! We now have a fresh, empty project for our practice. Challenge 2. Add a 2D scene to your project. Save the scene as challenge.tscn. Attach a new script to the node 2D of your scene. Leave default values and save it. Try to launch the game. This is exactly what we did in episode 2. Pause here, try it, then come back. To solve it, click on 2D scene in the scene panel. Save the scene as challenge.tscn. Right-click on the node 2D and select Attach Script. Leave default values and click Create. Press the play button and select the default scene. Now we have our blank script ready and the game can be launched. Challenge 3. Add the func ready line to your script. Below the ready line, create a variable called player name. Put your own name inside. Print a message like hello on one line, then print the variable on another line. Pause here, give it a try, then we'll correct it. Create a variable called playerName right below the ready line. Give the variable a value like Jack Black. Add this line to print a literal hello. Then add another print instruction below to show the player name variable. When running the game, you should have something like this in the output console. Challenge 4. Start with a variable called GameStatus, set to ready. add a line to print it. Then add a line to change the value of game status to playing. Add the last line to print it again. First, create the variable game status and set its value to ready. Then ask Godot to print our variable. Now change the value of this same variable on a new line below the first print, and ask Godot to print our variable again. Launch the game, and as you can see, we are still printing the same variable, but the value has changed between both prints. Challenge 5. Create a variable called color and give it the value of your favorite color. Create another variable called food and give it the value of one of your favorite foods. Then print a first literal line saying my favorite color, a second line showing the variable color, a third line saying my favorite food, a last line showing the content of the variable food. Pause now, try it, then come back. Here's the correction. Create two variables at the top and give them their values. Print the text, my favorite color. Then print the content of the color variable. Do the same for the food variable. When launching the game, you should see this in the console. And that's it for our very first challenge episode. Today you practiced creating a project, attaching a script, creating and naming variables, printing both literal text and variables, changing the content of variables over time. That's already a lot of progress. The best way to learn programming is by doing, and you just did it. Next time, we'll move beyond text and start working with numbers. That's where variable really starts to shine. See you there.